Hey tech nerds and engineering pros. If you're in the market for a powerhouse laptop in 2025, you've come to the right place. Today we're breaking down the best laptops for engineers in 2025, from gaming beasts that double as engineering powerhouses to sleek AI-enhanced business laptops. I'll cover processors, graphics cards, displays, RAM, storage, and everything that makes them ideal for engineers. And yep, all the links are in the description if you want to grab one. Now, if you're after portability and smart AI features, the Microsoft Surface Laptop 7 AI Copilot Plus is a great choice. The 13.8-inch 2K Plus touchscreen is super responsive, and the Snapdragon X Plus CPU punches above its weight, performing almost like an Intel i7 1355U. It has 16 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD, and 20-hour battery life. Yes, you read that right, so you can work all day without hunting for an outlet. AI Copilot Plus integrates smoothly with Windows 11 Pro, helping with multitasking, coding, and even running simulations more efficiently. It's light, portable, and stylish. Perfect for engineers who travel or need a laptop for meetings and presentations. Need a lightweight, long battery laptop with AI features? Check the description to grab the Surface Laptop 7 AI Copilot Plus. Next up, the Lenovo ThinkPad P1 Gen 7, the go-to for engineers who want a professional workstation vibe. This is not a gaming laptop, it's a serious workstation. Powered by the Intel 14th Gen Ultra 9185H 16-core and an NVIDIA RTX 3000 Ada GPU. It can handle everything from 3D modeling to complex simulations without breaking a sweat. The 16-inch 4K OLED touchscreen offers amazing color accuracy, which is perfect if you're working on CAD designs or rendering. With 64 GB RAM and a 2 TB NVMe SSD, you can multitask across heavy applications effortlessly. Plus, Windows 11 Pro ensures enterprise-level security and compatibility. The ThinkPad's build quality is legendary, sturdy, durable, and lightweight enough to carry between home, lab, and office. Need a professional-grade laptop for serious engineering tasks? Check the description for the Lenovo ThinkPad P1 Gen 7. If you love giant screens and insane specs, the Dell Alienware M18R2 is your jam. It features an 18-inch QHD Plus display with 165 Hz refresh rate and 3 milliseconds response time, perfect for engineers who also game on the side. It's powered by the Intel i9-14900HX and comes with 32 GB DDR, 5 RAM, 1 TB SSD, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 GPU. This machine is built for both engineering and gaming. That massive display makes CAD, simulations, and spreadsheets feel spacious, and the high-end GPU is great for rendering or AI-driven workloads. Alienware's design is bold, with RGB lighting and excellent cooling, so even long work sessions stay cool. Want a laptop that's both a workhorse and gaming beast? Grab the Alienware M18R2 via the description link. Let's kick things off with the HP OMEN Transcend, a laptop that's basically a desktop replacement in a sleek 16-inch chassis. Powered by the Intel i9-14900HX 24-core processor, it handles everything from CAD software to simulations like a breeze. Paired with 16 GB DDR, 5 RAM at 5600 MHz, and a 2 TB PCIe SSD, storage and multitasking are smooth and lightning fast. The GeForce RTX 4070 GPU isn't just for gaming, it accelerates rendering, simulations, and AI-based tasks. The 16-inch QXGA display at 240 Hz is perfect if you want buttery smooth visuals while working on graphs or models. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity are top-notch, and Windows 11 Home ensures compatibility with almost every engineering software. Want raw power for engineering and gaming? Grab the HP OMEN Transcend via the description link. Finally, the MSI Stealth 18A iStudio is a perfect hybrid for engineers who want ultimate performance and style. With an 18-inch 240 Hz QHD Plus display, it's massive and perfect for multitasking large projects. The Intel Ultra 9-185H processor and RTX 4080 GPU make it ideal for heavy simulations, rendering, and gaming on the side. It comes with 32 GB DDR, 5 RAM, and 1 TB NVMe SSD, ensuring you can run multiple engineering applications at the same time without lag. The Cooler Boost 5 system keeps everything cool during long workloads, and Windows 11 Pro ensures all professional software runs smoothly. It's like carrying a desktop powerhouse in a laptop chassis. Want a giant display, massive performance, and AI features all in one? Grab the MSI Stealth 18 AI Studio via the description. And that's a wrap on the best laptops for engineers in 2025. Whether you need raw power, massive screens, portability, or AI-enhanced features, there's a laptop here for you. Check the description for links to grab your favorite, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. Build smart, engineer smarter.